We all love watching movies together with friends at home and have caramel popcorns along with it. Have you ever tried making caramel popcorns at home? Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today I'll be sharing how to prepare caramel popcorns at home. The procedure to make these popcorns is very simple. You do not need any machine to prepare these. These popcorns turn out to be very light, crunchy, crispy and sweet. So let's see how to prepare these. To prepare our popcorns, we'll be using these dried corn kernels. Then we'll heat a pan or a kadai with oil. We'll add corns in it. We'll keep the flame on low-medium side and we'll stir it like this. One can even use butter to prepare popcorns. And now we'll cover the pan with the lid and we'll keep the flame on lowest side. In few seconds you will start to hear that popping sound. In between, one can also shake the pan a bit. The popping sound has stopped. So now our popcorns are ready. Wow! Transfer these popcorns in another pan and we'll prepare our caramel sauce. In the same pan, we'll prepare our caramel sauce. For this, we'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter. In this, we'll add 1 cup of brown sugar. One can even use refined sugar. However, brown sugar gives a very nice caramel flavor. Now we need to melt sugar on medium to high flame. I've reduced down the flame and you can see that the sugar has melted nicely. Into this I will add a pinch of salt and we'll also add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda will make our popcorns even more crisper and lighter. We'll just cook it for few more seconds. You can see that it's just looking like the ready-made caramel sauce. And we'll switch off the flame. Now we'll quickly add our prepared popcorns. We need to completely cover all the popcorns with our prepared caramel sauce. So just coat it with a very light hand. Into this one can even add few dried berries. This is completely optional. It will further enhance the flavor of our caramel popcorn and it has coated well. Now we'll quickly transfer it on a parchment paper. We'll just press it with a spatula. Now we'll allow it to cool it down at room temperature. So once it cools down, then you can simply break it into small pieces. You can hear this sound. These candied popcorns are very light, crunchy. One can even prepare these flavorful popcorns and gift it to your near and dear ones. Here is my box of freshly prepared caramel popcorns ready to serve. I'll show you how crunchy these popcorns are. Very crunchy, very tasty. You'll really like it. So friends, do try making caramel popcorns at home and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai for more such interesting recipes. It's Christmas time, so wishing all of you Merry Christmas. Enjoy your day with your friends and family. Keep cooking and stay healthy.